Dear students, now we will learn the division of decimal numbers by power of 10 like 100, 10, 1000 and so on. So let's start with an example. Divide 31.5 by 10. The first method you know very well. First convert the decimal into fraction. Now divided by 10 means divided by 10 upon 1. 315 by 10 multiply. Put the sign of multiplication here and get it reciprocal. It will be 1 by 10. You can cancel them. Numerator and denominator both are divisible by 5. But if you cancel it, it will change into fraction and you have to again convert into decimal and it will take time. When there are zeros like 10, 100, 1000 in denominator, so you can directly write the decimal. So it will be 315 by 100 and the decimal will be after 2 digits because there are 2 zeros. 3.15. It means decimal has been shifted, but the digits in decimal number and in answer means in quotient are same, 315. Only difference in the position of decimal. Now here the decimal is after 1 digit and now here the decimal is after 2 digits. Means the decimal has been shifted towards left hand side. How many places? 1 place. If you are going to divide by 10, 10 means 1 0. So decimal has been shifted towards left hand side by 1 place. If you will divide 31.5 by 100. So here are 2 zeros. So decimal will be shifted from here to here. Means 2 places left. It means decimal will be here. You can write the answer directly. If you multiply 31.5 by 1000, then the decimal will be shifted 3 places left hand side because 3 zeros are here. So 2 places already, but you have to write one more 0 here. 0, 3, 1, 5. Then write the decimal. It means your decimal has been shifted from here to here. Means 2 places towards left hand side. So when you divide decimal numbers by the power of 10, then the digits of decimal number and the quotient are same, but the decimal is shifted to the right by as many places as there are zeros over 1. If 3 zeros means 1000, it will shift it 3 places towards left hand side. Is that clear?